winter. Sucks. Look at that poor old girl. It's gonna get some loving. This winter I hope to pull the shock off and have it rebuilt and some of the other things. You know, redo the front forks, check her out, repack the silencer, maybe put a spark plug in it. You know, different kinds of things. But today we're going to do a little bit of underbelly on the Tecate, and you'll get to see under her skirt a little bit. Alright, I was walking past this thing the other day and I heard this weird noise, and look, I mean, it vibrates. Tecates are terrible for vibrations. And then this one, I might need a little bit of address. My apologies. And oh yeah, you can't tip up Tecates with the transmission full because it'll leak out of the overflow. I didn't think it was going to, but it is. But you can see, not too bad. I got a little bit of undercoating going on here. I think most of it is just residual. There's not really any apparent leaks. It is quite moist around that shifter shaft seal, which it's still leaking, but not profusely. So I'm gonna get something to plug up this transmission thing and we'll fix some stuff.
Do it. Say it with me. I think I got bingo.
Bingo?
I think so. I think this is bingo.
You get bingo.
Yeah, this is it. Yeah, this is it. This is money.
Do you?
And it's even a locker.
Let's see what we got going on over here. We'll keep her as down in the moose as possible. Uh-oh, what? Is that the one? Had a bit of an alignment issue on this thing, and the extreme vibrations of the 110 big block power plant on this thing vibrated the nut right off of it, and it was backed out. Luckily on Honda is captured by the chain guard on this side, so you can't ever lose all of it. This thing's pretty sweet. Check out this custom horseshoe headlight guard that we made for it. And I know some of the purists, that's why we covered it up. It's not really welded like that. It just looks like it is. Apologize. But this thing was kind of queer and purple. But it's a wheelie machine. Getting her set up. Always nice to have a Gulf tee lying around. That always works good for many things. So got that taken care of. We got railroaded a little bit. Let's see what we got going on here. Ooh.
Sweet home Alabama. Yeah, I want the money. Big money, big money.
Where's that piece? Where'd that piece go? Oh yeah. Did it?
Yeah.
No?
Yeah, that's money, but I feel I just
Spinning?
Yeah, see, yeah.
I can hear it kind of hitting something on this side,
I gotta
maybe.
get in that chain case, buddy.
You know, it's only a couple, not too many.
I'm good.
Oh shit. Look at how clean them chains stay.
I oiled.
Oh, you did already? But still, it stays so clean in there. That's probably the original frickin' chain.
I'm gonna remove the airbox out of there. With my JIS screwdriver.
Ooh. Oh yeah. Son of a bitch.
That was a trick. Oh, that's even special. A little shoulder on there.
Those are nice like that, because then they go right through the hole without, you know, being that 2 balls deep. You're in my shop. I'm in your shop.
See, these guys are friends. They're gonna live up there next to each other. Oh,
Did you do your clamp?
I undid this clamp.
Oh, okay.
But I don't really think, I think you just kind of lay it in there. Oh, here, let's just make it undo. Undo.
Oh, okay.
Undo.
Clean air source right here in the...
Oh, debris here.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's neato. Why did I open this up? What
Yeah, this guy.
I got a bolt in there. I gotta make that.
Oh,
Yeah, that dude. Yeah, we gotta make that dude tight.
Oh. Is that what we were up against?
Yeah, that was a problem.
Huh.
I think that's a yellow one, isn't it?
Spin that thing just to make sure this is the one we're looking at.
Is that the right one?
Let's see what- Oh yeah, yep. That's your guy.
Oh, it's dirty in there.
Do you like it?
I'm gonna go open him.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Whoa. Can you see it?
Ooh.
Okay.
I'm gonna go in there. I don't know if this is the right flavor. It's yellow flavored.
It's yellow, I believe. 14, right?
Oh yeah.
Wow.
I'm gonna call that.
Did you
home.
see it suck that frame tight?
Good. I should probably catch this. Where's the other one? Buddy?
The top.
This guy here.
Where's it? Oh, let me make sure it's not spinning. Nope, not spinning.
Oh, good.
But might be snapped off.
It
Yeah.
doesn't turn. That's good. All right, I'm ready to pop some wheels.
You're done. That's it.
We gotta reassemble.
How are we looking on the... Oh my God. What did you do?
Oh no.
Oh, buddy. Look in there. Take a gander.
Oh, kind of a dirty path.
Well, I mean, is that just... You got it oiled like that so it catches them on the way past?
Yeah.
Or what? Okay.
Yeah. I figured.
You don't want to
easier-
clean it.
I didn't want to clean it.
No,
I just
okay,
wanted to spray it.
Okay.
That's a air filter in a can.
In
You know how many rags it would take me to clean that out? It would take like
6 or 9.
rags, dude.
Oh my God, I didn't even record it. Put a little shine on it. Here, we'll do it a little bit just to give you guys an idea of what I was doing. I think I'm good. I should have just spot welded the whole thing. Mama said if you got grindier welds, that makes you a good grinder, not a good welder. What happened? See, like right there, I just tacked it on that first one. That's what I should have done, but oh well. It's back together. It's one piece again. we'll see how long. I'm gonna grind it and see what she looks like. All right, we got this thing kinda, and I'm not gonna paint it or anything because there again too, we got to match the patina. If I painted that one little spot, then I'd have to paint the rest of this thing. Then I'd have to paint this one. Then I would have to paint the swing arm. Then I would have to paint. Project done. It's just like this thing all matches right now, and it's really cool bike, and it runs really hard, and it's really fun to ride. So
I mean, I bought a brand new 450.
Function over form, boys. Let's see, and I haven't test fit it yet, so let's see how my weld job did. Looks like it'll be like a glove. Let's see. The fastener in question.
My buddy did
First
today, White Lake Customs.
Still turns into the weld nut
tires.
after welding.
Little Honda.
Is that why they call it a weld nut? Son of a bitch. Oh my goodness. You guys.
But yeah, that
It just went right on.
worked out amazing. He's got the
Wow.
mud lug. So
And I guess maybe if
about putting some turf saver tires on this
if it was
thing
in a different spot, ooh,
and have a little bit
nice
flatter of a profile. You can
visible
see how
spot, I
round
would
that
worry
profile
about
is.
how good that
And
weld
you're on a
looked.
three-wheeler, right?
And now I know for next
And
time
it
too,
already
just
wants
tappy
to go
tappy.
like this, right? You know, when you're
Tappy tappy. Tacky tacky.
I want this to be flat.
Yeah. Tacky
Then you go,
tacky. And should be. Oh.
So yeah, pretty cool.
I know
Thanks
I
to
don't
White
have a
Lake
12
Customs.
socket over here.
Help me get this stuff
I
all set
apologize.
back up on here.
Little moisture. It was in my van. It's cold out
Freestyle.
there.
If your wheelers
This
are
is the night.
cold,
Yeah.
you're cold. Bring them inside.
But yeah, there's a mounting tab that's broke. You can see it right there.
Okay.
Right. Oh shit. There's a hole. Oh, there's the hole. And there's a little spot right there. And it's dead ending. I don't
That
think
we're
that's the
gonna do
right
the
bolt
same
because it's
thing, put a
dead
little
ending
tab
on the
on
swing
there
arm, but
and have to tap it.
that
so I
should
can
be a form of
put my fingers
Loctite.
down
That's
on it.
tight.
Yeah, that's what I do to this thing in the
This is
winter.
tight.
I don't know that I'm gonna ride it this year in the winter.
This is tight.
It's just gonna be made.
No more
You know,
noise.
oh, I wanted to put a headlight
Nice.
on. There's the headlight
Solid.
wiring, stock
'cause-
stuff.
Oh yeah,
so,
that's right.
you know, I've got other
You're
stuff to
supposed
ride
to
this
help
winter,
me with that.
namely the 185S, which is
Yep.
a oil burning beast. So hopefully we'll get some wheelies. Just wait.
Tight. And this thing up here. Ooh. It was on its way out. That's tight. Oh. Solid. So yeah, the next thing I'd like to do is get the tail light working on this thing eventually. There's a tab I need to weld on the frame that holds the rear fenders on. And this too. I don't know if you can hear that or not. I mean, that thing is taking.
That's how we do it here in Mushroom.
And that wheel too is a little bit. She took a little bit of a hit, but then I remembered this too. I always forget. These are snapped off into the triple clamps. You can see how hard I ride it. Yeah. Like I said, you'll see it with the skirt up. This was like the head gasket on this thing leaked. Both times I built it for a little while and then it seated up. That's why that rust is there, and I don't know why. I had the head decked and the cylinder decked and squared, so you guys tell me. This was custom Mushman work here. But yeah, I think that's about it for now. Buddy's all happy about this thing. It's solid now, because without that motor mount loose, it was a little wanky. But yeah, what a beast. ATC 110. Hook onto it. I told you, ATC 110. Little purple. So we might get some wheelie action out of this thing today. So, good buddy of mine, he's been practicing. Let's fucking do it.